So Power BI has this new feature in which you could add Google Sheets into your Power BI file in pretty easy. There are other ways that you could do it previously. They were a bit more complicated, but the new feature is quite straightforward. So this is how you do it. You go to get data, and it takes a while. I wonder why it always takes a while. Okay, then once you're at the get data, you search for Google Sheets. It's actually new, so connect. And yes, so it is still in the testing phase. I have tried it and it works pretty well. So yeah, it warns you that it could fail, but as far as I've checked, it's working pretty well. Then it's going to ask you for a Google Sheet URL. Now, what do you feed that? Now you go to your Google Sheets document. I have a document that I'm testing here. And what you do is just copy the Google document here. Copy that URL and paste it to your Power BI and say okay. Let's see. So it's going to ask you to sign in, and in this instance it's going to be asking me to sign into my Google account where the spreadsheet is contained. So I'm going to sign in. It's just a simple login. So once I log in, I'm going to have a notification that now Power BI has access to that document. I've granted it access. Let's see, now I have signed in. Let's go back. And I can connect to the document. And voila. So as easy as that, I have already connected to my spreadsheet, and as you can see, I do have these two tables that are on my spreadsheet, and I can now load it to the query editor or transform data. And as you can see, back to my document, I had two sheets. I had the test one and data two, and those are the exact tables that I'm able to access. And now you can transform data and do awesome things. One thing I like about these is that you are able to log into your account, meaning that the data is secure. Previous options of accessing to Google Sheets meant that you needed to make the data public, and that had privacy issues. So definitely, this is the best approach or the coolest way to access Google Sheets using Power BI.